Hi guys, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to be learning how to create Canva Pro account. First, you need to get an Edu account or an email account that looks like this if you're a student. So the next thing you need to do is go to Google and type in Canva Pro. Then click on the link. Now you can either sign in as a business, but you have to pay, and that is none of our business today. But you just have to go to the education section, which is free. So when you click on the education section, you can either sign up as a teacher and collaborate with your colleagues, or you sign up as a student, which is the purpose of this video. Click on the student tab to sign up for free. Then at the top right hand corner, click on sign up. Then click on continue with email. Now you type in the email you want to sign up with, the Edu email. For me, it is sheila@abu.edu.ng. Then you click on continue. Then you type in your name. I'm just going to type in Sherry. Then you type in your password. Do not forget to choose a solid and strong password so that Canva will let you sign up easily. You can also click on the I symbol on the right hand side to check or to view your password. Then click on create account. Next is to input the code that has been sent to the email account you signed up with. Click on continue. Then be patient for it to load. It's loading, it takes a bit of time. Further, choose what you'll be using Canva for. You know you signed up as a student, so you click on students. Okay, then where are you currently studying? For me, it's a university, so I'll click on university. Then click on continue. Next is who is on my team. I'm going to skip that since I'm the only one. Move to what kind of things would I like to design. As for me, I'd like to design A4 documents. So I'll just go to A4 documents and click on it, sorry. I'll also pick Instagram post. I'm interested in that. And also presentation. Then click on let go to move on to the next stage, which is Canva Pro. Congratulations, you are now in Canva Pro. You can design using all the resources available on Canva for free. You can remove background, you can do all sorts of things you want to do for free. Do not forget to subscribe, share, like. You can even leave a comment so that I know what you think. And if you have any video suggestion, please do not hesitate to drop it. Thank you so much for watching.